Hello, in front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then keep swiping left on the screen to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should see the Wi-Fi option. Tap on it, and here we can connect to the Wi-Fi network and disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. First, make sure that the Wi-Fi option is enabled. If it's disabled, tap on the switch to enable the Wi-Fi feature. After you enable the Wi-Fi, you will see the list of networks nearby your watch, and you can find the network you want to connect to and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the network, you will be able to connect to it, but first you will probably need to enter the password. So you can tap right here, enter the password and then confirm. So let me enter the password quickly. And once you enter the password, you can tap on OK, and it should start connecting to the network. And after it's done, it will say connected on the network, as you can see. And this means we are connected to the Wi-Fi network. And once we're done, we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. To disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, basically we need to repeat the same steps. We need to open the settings, open the Wi-Fi, find the network we want to disconnect from, tap on it, and you can tap on the disconnect button to disconnect from the network. Basically what this option does, it disconnects you from the network, but it's still saved. So if you want to, you can tap on it and tap on connect to reconnect it to the network. But if you want to completely disconnect and remove the network from the saved list, so you won't be able to connect to it again unless you enter the password and do it basically from the beginning, you can tap on the network and tap on forget to forget the network. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.